So on this episode, we are installing
battle version steering rack bushings.
Solid steering rack bushing kit. We already got Mark already ahead of the game,
A short 14.
getting that steering rack out, so we can go ahead and throw these in there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these back in the fridge so they'll be easier to slide in. Alright guys, so just really quick, if you want to know what you're gonna need to go ahead and get this job done, it's pretty simple. Kind of starting off with the biggest one, we use the 1 8/16, 3/16 socket.
That's what we use to push the brush.
Pretty much just pressed against, you know, the other side of it, and then
That one inside.
and then just fold right, you know, dropped right in there. So use that to hold that. We had the 17 to push the bushing through the steering rack, and then
We also use that to drop the subframe K member.
yeah.
The main nut for the control arm.
So basically, this is what you're gonna need to go ahead and get that done. And it's a pretty simple install. So hopefully this video helps you out.
Just tie it wherever it's at.
Yeah, because that bitch is not straight, I can tell you that.
I mean, the wheels are straight.
A little straight. It goes like this, bro.
Looks like it's doing a left turn.
I don't think it's pointless to even try to lock this thing, to be honest. Bro.
So yeah. Yo, it smells like gas in here. I mean, if you guys could smell this in here.
Wide open.
Look at that gold thing.
I'm done.
Wouldn't you loop it more than that?
Just put it right through it and
Chris would be disappointed in you.
you have an exhaust for me right there, dude.
Oh, true. I didn't even think about
Dude,
that. I think it's a 3-inch all the way through too.
bro, you guys a fucking exhaust for me. Street car exhaust. I'm over here like about to pay a motherfucker to do some weird shit.
Mark has it.
And you have a street style exhaust on my right here. Clean little street reaction.
You're welcome. 500 later.
God damn.
That's your habitat. Trying to steal some shit off of someone else's car.
Pretty sure that'll work, bro.
Yeah? You think?
Well, it looks like a 3-inch to me. Look at it back there. It's not like a legit mandrel, but I'm not complaining.
It'll work.
Is that a 2-bolt flange? Could you tell?
On the back of the turbo?
Yeah, on that down pipe. It's a 2-bolt, right? There's some in there like somewhere.
Let's take a 3.
Fuck! We gotta change flange.
Let's check it.
Yeah, mine's weekend, but mine's 2.5. Yeah, pretty sure.
Oh yeah, you got the little pee-pee thing.
Little piggy touch.
Little pee-pee toucher. You're nasty.
I'm just gonna have to take the turbo and the manifold
And the piping.
and the pipe.
And the intake manifold. And the injectors.
You couldn't use that turbo if you wanted to.
I bet you want to spool for shit for me.
Well, no, it's too big for your
Clamp to press the bushings out. It's already working its way out.
Right? That shit's going
And
on.
Jeff actually getting his hands dirty on something. Boom.
Very nice.
And it's out.
I can't even tell what you're saying.
I'm not saying anything, bro.
It's not like you're saying all hail long hair.
I'm a fucking opera singer.
What you trying to sound like?
Man, over to the fat lady sings. So, bottom one's a little bit more difficult. Did you get it?
Fat lady sang. Yeah.
Time to get the fucking new ones. The freezer trick works, and we literally did this like, what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Not even. And look how, I mean, watch the last one get paint.
Nope. They're all
Popped
on.
right in. Can't leave things alone. Coming through clutch again. So I'm gonna clean these Pollo's nuts off, or bolts. And then that way we can throw them in there. Look at this thing. It's disgusting. Why would you want to put that back on with that? You know what I mean? Like,
You ain't gonna see none of that.
in my mind, I will know.
Look how sexy them fucking bushings look.
It's pretty clean.
Bro, you don't understand, like... And now with that secret super silent exhaust, I'm about to be a force to be unreckoned with.
I mean, if you're gonna put it together, might as well just...
Street car it, bro. It's gonna be nice. No 400 horsepower. No one cares about it till I get on it, which is lovely because my hatch was quiet as fuck till I got on it, which was amazing.
Yeah, it's just loud.
No, it's just loud. It's a fucking head exit out of it, but that's not mine. That's his.
Bro, so this whole time I was probably cleaning the wrong bolts. This is the one for the rack, right?
No, those are for the
Controller.
control arms.
So which ones are the ones for the
The
rack?
ones you were
I
cleaning.
already have those.
I'm done.
I thought you were just cleaning all the bolts.
Alright guys, well wrapping it up here. The battle version steering rack bushing.
Take it off.
So they're in, installed. Mad scientists put it in work again because obviously Jeff, the owner, didn't do it. But listen, let's get into Ratchet
I would
Hoe.
recommend that kit. It went in like a dream.
Yeah, literally, they just dropped right in. I mean, you guys seen it. We recorded and
Throw them in the freezer.
they were literally 15, 20 minutes in. It worked just good enough to go ahead and slide in there. So that's that install. I'm just gonna wrap it up for this one, guys, and we'll see you later.